This is Brett Mooney with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour of this 2022 Tiara Yachts 43 LE. This boat is in a beautiful custom silver paint. This is the photo shoot boat that you will see on all of Tiara's marketing and website since they did the update with the new 600 Verados. The boat is in exceptional condition. It has not yet been waxed for this season. That is scheduled, although as you'll see again topside, it doesn't appear that it needs anything because it is super shiny. Hull bottom looks excellent. This does have the twin 600 Verados, of course, and they are in the matching silver paint. Show you the starboard side, and then we'll move topside. There is 102 engine hours, all freshwater, all used in Lake Michigan. And again, same thing, all bottoms, all excellent. Just came out yesterday for winter storage. All right, moving topside. One of the nice upgrades in the 2022 year was the 600 Verados, of course, but that also gave the space for this massive walkway with no well area, trip hazard, which is super functional on water, or docking, access, boarding. You'll notice the two moving prop alert systems to indicate when the engines are on or engaged. There is a grill under here. There's quick access storage there. This whole trunk will flip open for larger access. And this whole seat is on a power release to rotate, and it'll rotate 45, 90 degree area facing the beach platform that folds down, or complete 180 facing aft, which is functional for aft facing, but also for grilling if you're entertaining or using the galley. It's nice to have that grill right by the refrigerators. You do have a large ladder that telescopes out the back there, and then there's a Lumar ladder that can go in at the dive door side or in the beach platform that lowers down. Moving forward, you have large walkways, both port and starboard, 2-foot widths accessing here. This boat was equipped with the freshwater and raw water anchor locker washdown, escape hatch, and then nice seating area, Corian surrounds under your cup holders on either side. Both seats will flip up as well to multiple locations. Extremely clean boat. This boat hasn't been waxed this year. It's scheduled to be waxed again, but it doesn't look like it needs it. It's very, very shiny. Dual fill for the gas and diesel fill for the generator. Moving in, you have 2 refrigerators, one starboard, one port, and then storage flip down and drawer storage over on this side. Both of these areas pop up so that there is trash cans and or storage in there. You have the TV that folds in to the hardtop. Nice teak accents in the helm seats. And with this release, this seat will rotate facing aft, so you're part of the group there. Of course, sink. There's a microwave down in the cabin. This boat was equipped with Seakeeper as well as the additional passenger screen. You have the Merc monitor top side, the vessel view, and then 2 large screens here. All of your switching controls, joystick, and standard bow thruster. This joystick location is nice. I often will stand center line when backing up. So this is my view, which makes it very comfortable for docking the boat. Notable that there's a venting opening vent on the top, but also these port and starboard windows that open up, giving a lot of fresh air. And there is 2 zone controls, 2 AC units for the salon. So you have port, and there's one over on the starboard side here as well. Tons of BTU and cooling capabilities. Of course, you close this off with the retractable doors, and you're in your own controlled environment. Moving down, you have 3 very large steps, giving plenty of space. This is the master with a curtain that separates, that tucks away in here. There's your microwave, hanging locker. The whole bed flips up, so there's tons of storage in there. Additional storage here. Then your panel behind the TV with, again, air control. There's an air control for the master as well as the VIP for the mid-berth. Moving down here, this will serve as a sleeper. That's over 6 foot in length and plenty wide for especially a child or a small adult to fit in. And storage here, and again, storage under those seats. A large hanging locker right there. Large drawer storage right here. And a very large berth for a 43-foot day boat. And last is the head. Again, Corian accents, Corian surround around the head and in the shower, and at your kick plate, and a full stand-up shower with well over 6 feet of head height. Again, this is Brett Mooney with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. Call me with any questions or to schedule a showing on this 2022 Tiara Yachts 43 LE.